Do you know that there are fruits that keep your prostate healthy? Today, we'll embark on a culinary journey that goes beyond the delight of your taste buds. We're here to discuss 5 magical fruits and plants that can significantly contribute to a healthy prostate. First on our list is the humble tomato. This bright red fruit, often mistaken for a vegetable, is a powerhouse of lycopene. Lycopene, a potent antioxidant, aids in combating free radicals that can damage cells in your body. It's particularly beneficial for the prostate gland. So next time you're in the kitchen, don't forget to add a generous amount of tomatoes to your salad or pasta. Second, let's turn our attention to the Brazilian rainforest, home to the acai berry. This small, deep purple fruit is packed with antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins. These help lower oxidative stress and inflammation, promoting overall prostate health. Notably, acai berry also contains phytosterols that can help reduce the size of an enlarged prostate. Our third entry is the broccoli, a cruciferous vegetable that's not everyone's favorite but is a must-have for prostate health. Broccoli is rich in sulforaphane, a compound that has shown promising results in reducing the risk of prostate cancer. So the next time you see those little green trees on your plate, remember they're there to guard your prostate health. Fourth in our list is pomegranate. This ruby red fruit has been used in traditional medicine for centuries. It's rich in antioxidants and can help slow down the growth of prostate cancer cells. Moreover, pomegranate juice can be a delightful addition to your breakfast routine. Last but not least, we have green tea. Originating from China, this plant's leaves are packed with antioxidants called catechins, which can help prevent cell damage. Regular consumption of green tea can reduce the risk of developing prostate cancer. So in conclusion, your diet can play a significant role in maintaining your prostate health. Incorporating these fruits and plants into your meal plan can help fortify your prostate health. Remember, the path to a healthy prostate might just lie in your kitchen, so enjoy your meals and stay healthy.